Inside Teens. Are you a screenager? Are you constantly glued to the TV, texting your friends, chatting online, or perhaps trying to move up another level in one of your favorite video games? Well, if you are in the majority. You are another quick-thinking, multitasking teenager, like millions of others who demand to be constantly in touch with their friends. Most teenagers do almost everything electronically. They watch digital TV, listen to music on a digital MP3 player, and communicate electronically with friends through email, instant messaging, or by mobile phone. Teenagers even do most of their reading online now. When they need help with their homework, it's often the internet that they turn to. Gadgets are, in fact, teenagers' primary tools of communication, information, and entertainment. According to a recent survey, more than half of teenagers prefer to spend most of their time in their bedroom, because that is where their favorite gadgets are. Experts from all over the world worry that teenagers' addiction to technology is having an effect both on their health and on their behavior. In some countries, teenagers are getting help. In Britain, for example, there is a clinic that helps young people whose passion for all things electronic is having a negative effect on their lives. In China and Korea, there are even boot camps where children receive psychological help and treatment. There, young people have to do non-gadget related activities. It's probable that these types of camps will become common in other countries in the future. Learning to keep a balance between the real and the virtual world will help the square-eyed generation understand that gadgets and technology are useful and fun, but they should not let them rule their lives.